There are so many fascinating places all over the world, and few people get the opportunity to visit everywhere they want to see in person. But you can explore places that interest you right from your own computer. In this lesson, you will take a tour of a place in Google Earth. You will explore its geographic features and learn interesting facts about it. Then you will create a presentation about your tour using Google Slides. Creating a presentation allows you to reflect on your experience, organize your thoughts about it, and share it with others in a unique and fun way. Google Earth is an app that provides satellite images of places around the world. Google Earth allows you to explore places virtually, which almost make you feel like you are actually there. Learning about new places can give you an appreciation and greater understanding of different cultures, languages, geography, history, and much more. This lesson uses Google Earth, which only works in the Chrome browser. But you could apply these skills and concepts using any virtual exploration application, or even with an encyclopedia. This lesson also uses Google Slides, but you could create your presentation in any presentation software, or even with paper and art supplies. As you complete this project, you will use the Voyager feature in Google Earth to select a place or topic and explore it. Add a title, your name, and information about 3 places you learned about on your tour to your presentation. Add an image and describe what you liked best about your tour in your presentation. To work on this lesson, open the starter project. If you haven't done so already, you will be prompted to sign in to your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, pause the video and create one now. Once you are signed in, copy the starter project and rename it. Now, it's your turn. Open the starter project. Log in to your Google account. Copy the starter project and rename it. In this video, you will choose the place you want to tour in Google Earth and update the first slide in your presentation. To begin, open Google Earth and launch it in Chrome. Open the Voyager feature. Voyager lets you explore places by taking you on different adventures. The adventures in Voyager are organized into different categories such as culture, nature, and travel. Within each category, you'll find different themes and topics. For example, you might visit superhero movie film locations, explore magnificent palaces, or learn about poetry around the world. Select a category, then choose a place or topic to explore. This example visits Grand Canyon National Park. But you can choose a different place or topic, or use the one that's been assigned by your teacher. Find the presentation you copied previously. This presentation has already been formatted and includes some prompts to guide you. In this lesson, you'll update this presentation with the information you learn during your tour. Add a title to your presentation that includes the name of the place or topic. And add your name to the slide. Now it's your turn. Open Google Earth and launch it in Chrome. Open the Voyager feature. Select a category and place or topic to explore, and add a title and your name to the first slide in your presentation. In this video, you will tour your chosen place and explore its geographic features using different tools in Google Earth. To begin, review the remaining slides in your presentation so that you know what to look for while you are exploring. You will describe 3 places you visited on your tour and add an image of one of them. Then, you will describe what you liked best about the tour. Enter the tour for the place you want to visit. Before you begin your tour, select a map style. Different styles add more or less detail to your map, such as borders, labels, and roads. Now start exploring geographic features of your place. Geographic features include both the naturally occurring features of the Earth and those built by people. Mountains, rivers, and oceans are some examples of natural geographic features, while bridges, roads, and airports are some examples of artificial geographic features. Google Earth will guide you through each stop on your tour. For each stop, you'll see the name of the place and a description. Click through the slides to visit each stop. You can explore each place more closely in a number of different ways. Drag your cursor around the map to view the site from different perspectives. Click the compass icon to reset your view. Zoom in to look at geographic features more closely. Or zoom out to get a broader view of the location, including surrounding areas. Get panoramic views of the location from the sky. Or even view the location from space. Continue clicking through the slides and exploring each location until you have finished your tour. Now, it's your turn. Enter the tour and select a map style. Click through the slides to learn about each location, and use the different tools to explore each location's geographic features more closely. In this video, you will describe 3 places you visited on your tour in your presentation. You will then add an image of one of the locations. To begin, add information to the second slide in your presentation about 3 places you visited on your tour. Include the name and description of each place. You can look back at the slides of your tour in Google Earth for reference, but use your own words in the description. Add an observation you made while exploring the place on your tour. As you write your observations on different places, consider the different views from which you explored each place. What did you notice from close-up and from the sky? What did you learn when watching a 360-degree rotating view of the place? Now, add an image of one of the places you described to the following slide in your presentation. First, add the name of the location to the slide. Search the internet for an image of the place. Not all images are free to use. Select an image you like and check to make sure you have permission to use it. Then, insert the image into your presentation. Resize and move the image as necessary. Now it's your turn. Add the name and description of 3 places you visited to your presentation. Add your own observations about each place. Search for an image of one of the places and check the permissions. And insert the image into your presentation and resize it. In this video, you will describe what you liked most about your tour in your presentation. To begin, think about what you really enjoyed about the virtual tour. Add your description of what you liked best about the tour to the next slide in your presentation. You could describe a particular place that you found interesting, something you learned about, or a feature of the app you liked. Be sure to mention why you liked the aspects of the tour you describe. Now it's your turn. Describe what you liked best about the tour in your presentation, and be specific about what you liked and why you liked it. In this lesson, you toured a place in Google Earth. Using a digital tool like Google Earth is a great way to learn about new places, especially when you can't visit them physically. As you completed this lesson, you copied a starter project and renamed it. Used the Voyager feature in Google Earth to select a place or topic and explore it. Added a title, your name, and information about 3 places you learned about on your tour to your presentation. And added an image of one of those places and described what you liked best about your tour in your presentation. In this lesson, you toured the Grand Canyon National Park, but Google Earth's Voyager feature allows you to explore and learn about different places, people, and cultures from all over the world. You could use a digital tool like Google Earth to learn about different places and topics in social studies, history, or language classes, to research where you might like to visit or live someday, or to plan a trip. Now that you've learned how to travel to places in Google Earth, where will you explore next? In this lesson, you will research interesting facts about your place or topic and add them to your presentation to make people want to learn more about it. As you complete this project, you will research interesting facts about your place or topic online. Add a slide to your presentation. Add at least 3 interesting facts to the slide. Add a text box and list your sources. And format your text boxes and text. To begin, research your place or topic online and look for interesting facts about it. These facts can be informative, surprising, or even humorous. You might search for when a national park was established, famous people who lived in a particular city, or the history of a landmark. After you've identified the facts you want to use, add them to your presentation. First, open your presentation. Add a slide. Give the slide a title that describes the information it will contain. And add at least 3 interesting facts about your place or topic to the slide. Use your own words when listing each fact. After listing your facts, cite your sources. Citations list where you got the information you used and allow you to acknowledge the authors of your sources. Content such as quotations, statistics, and audio or visual materials should be cited. Add a text box to your slide. Insert the word sources and bold it. And copy and paste the website address of each source you use for your information into your text box. Bullet your list of sources. And adjust the size and placement of text boxes and font sizes as necessary. Now, it's your turn. Research interesting facts about your place or topic online. Add a slide to your presentation. Add at least 3 interesting facts to the slide. Add a text box and list your sources. And format your text boxes and text. In this video, you will customize your presentation by changing the theme, background, colors, and fonts. To complete this project, you will change the theme of your presentation, select a different background for the title slide, select a font style, color, and size for your title, and format any other text in the presentation as you would like. To begin, open your presentation. A theme is a set of colors, textiles, backgrounds, and other design elements that give your presentation a certain look. Choose a theme that makes you think of your place or topic. For example, a presentation about nature might use colors like greens, blues, and browns, while one about a city could use a more modern look with geometric shapes. You can further connect your presentation look to its topic by changing background colors or selecting background images. Change the background for the first slide in your presentation. Adjust your text boxes as necessary for the new theme and background. For example, if images or graphic elements make some of the text difficult to read, you may want to move your text boxes. Next, customize the text in your presentation. Start with the text in your title. Choose a different font style. Make the text larger or smaller, and change the color. Adjust the text in your other slides as you would like. Some of your font styles, colors, or sizes might match each other. Some might be different. Be careful not to choose more than 2 or 3 different font styles and colors. This could be distracting and make it more difficult to read your text. Now, it's your turn. Change the theme of your presentation. Select a different background for the title slide. Select the font style, color, and size for your title. And format any other text in the presentation as you would like. In this extension, you will add links to places you visited on your tour to your presentation. Share your presentation with a partner, and ask for feedback. And make changes based on your partner's suggestions. As you complete this project, you will insert links to Google Earth tour pages into your presentation, share your presentation with a partner, ask for feedback, review your partner's feedback, and revise your presentation based on the suggestions you like. To begin, open your presentation and go to the slide with the descriptions of 3 places you visited on your tour. Then, open the tour you took in Google Earth. Find the slide for each place you described in your presentation and copy the link to the page. Then, insert the link into your presentation. This will allow your partner to easily view each place you described in Google Earth as they read through your presentation. Next, open the share settings for your presentation. Add the email address of the person you want to share your document with. Select the permission you want to use. Edit means the person you share with can make changes directly in your document. Comment allows them to make comments but not change the document. And View lets them see your document only. For this extension, select Can Comment. Then, let the person know you shared your document with them. Add a message to the person requesting their feedback. And be sure to let them know how they can access the links to the pages from the Google Earth Tour. Your partner can provide you feedback by inserting comments directly into your presentation. Once your partner has finished commenting, decide which suggestions you'd like to implement and make changes to your presentation. Now, it's your turn. Insert links to Google Earth tour pages into your presentation. Share your presentation with a partner. Ask for feedback. Review your partner's feedback. And revise your presentation based on the suggestions you like.